This video will show you how to use the database called Credo from the CCC library. Credo focuses on background information from reference sources like encyclopedias. You probably already know how helpful reference sources can be thanks to the world's most famous encyclopedia. Reference sources are a great starting point for research, so you can get a big picture view of the issues related to your topic and learn more before you take a deep dive into more specific sources like periodical articles. Starting from the CCC library homepage, click on the link labeled Search the Databases. This will take you to the page with all of the databases that Contra Costa College offers on our A to Z databases list. You can think of this page as being like the list of stores at the shopping mall. First, you need to decide which store to go shopping in, and then you can start looking for the item that you want. Click on Credo. Enter the topic you are searching for in the search box. Credo usually picks what it thinks is the most useful encyclopedia article for you and displays it at the top. You can also use the mind map feature to see how different topics and terms are related to each other. As you are looking through your search results, keep in mind that these articles often come from encyclopedias organized under a specific discipline, like psychology, criminal studies, sociology, or healthcare, which means that the articles you find will be viewed through the lens of that discipline. For example, an article on homelessness in an encyclopedia of psychology will probably focus more on the relationship between homelessness and mental health, rather than something like public policy solutions or how homelessness affects veterans. When you find an article you like, click on its title to read the full article. Use the tools at the top of the screen to capture a permanent link to the article, copy and paste its citation, or to print or save the article to your hard drive. Remember that your CCC librarians are available to help you with your research process, whether it's using Credo or anything else related to finding and using quality sources for your research assignments at Contra Costa College. You can find us in person at the reference desk when the library is open, or you can chat with a librarian using our 24/7 live chat service anytime. Good luck with your assignments!